Hey guys, Ernest here. Today's video, we're unboxing about 4 Hot Wheels cars. The first one is a 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. We've also got a 1970 Chevy Chevelle. Then we've got a 1989 Mazda Savannah RX. And also a Lamborghini Contact police car. But these two are actually short-carded. And these are now your standard long-carded editions. So let's go ahead and open them up. Okay, going to open up the long ones first, the long card ones. Let's open up the Mustang. Next one we have is a 1970 Chevy Chevelle. With the short card editions, first one is a 1989 Mazda Savannah RX-7. Okay, the last one in today's unboxing is a short card version of Hot Wheels Lamborghini Countach police car. Okay, that's all the cars we unboxed today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks, guys.